Hello everyone, welcome back to the recursion series. So in this question we will reverse a stack. So we have a stack, we have to reverse the stack. But we will do it by recursion. Okay, now see. We have a stack 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now before that let me state this fact that if there is any single value like 1, this will always be sorted, reversed, either reversed or increasing. This is always sorted value 1. Okay. So first how we'll do it? If we take the value out again and again and again and store it somewhere too. Like this is our stack 1, 2, 3 and 4. First we remove this value. Then we will have remove this value. We have 1, 2, 3. But we have stored this value in our local variable. Okay. Then we remove this one. 1, 2. Then we remove this one. 1. Then we remove this one. Empty. Now, if it is empty, let's go back. How we will do this? Now, first we will check if it is empty. Then store the value. This one. This step. So this step is over. We stored it. Now we have. Now we have this one. We remove it like 2. Now we have 1 and 2. We want 2 to be here. How we will do it? We will first empty this. Okay, but we have to, if we have to, then we will first store 2 and then go back and we have 1. So we will 1. Okay, now we have this. Okay, now we have reached here. So right now we have 2, 1 and outside we have 3. Okay, we have this variable equals to x. Let's assume. So for this to be here, we have to remove this again, empty the stack. 2, 1 and x equals to 3. Empty the stack. 1. We have 2. We have 1 0 empty. Okay. So we will first store this. So we will have 3. Then back 2. Then back 1. Okay. Now last one. So which x value was. Now this done. Now x value is 4. Now x value is 4. First we will empty this. 3, 2, 1. First we will empty this. 3 and 2. Then again empty. 3. Again empty. 1. Now this is empty. Then we will store this one. Sorry. So 4. Then backtracking. 3. Then back. 2. And again back. 1. So see. We have reversed it. But now the question occurred, how we will do it in code? We haven't, maybe you have understood this uh, in theory part, but how we will do it in code? For coding, like see, we have a reverse stack. Okay, reverse stack function where we have the stack of end capacity. Okay. Here this first remove the equation. If stack is empty, then return. Otherwise, first we will remove the top value. Int x is equals to stack dot top, and in stack there are only top, push, back, pop. Okay, we have removed it. We will pop it from the stack. Then again reverse. First we will empty our stack. How we will do it? We will do it in this way. Stack. Okay. So what we will do? Like we have 3, 2, 1 stack. It is not empty. Then we will go to this. Here it is x. First remove the x. Then reverse. Again call it. First we oh see first we removed it. Then we get 3, 2. Okay. Now here it is. Again it is not empty. Then we went to again. We remove the top one. Top value remove. Then we get 3. Again calling the same recursion. Remove this one. We get empty. Now if we get empty, then it will return. It will return here. Okay. Now we have emptied the stack. Now we need another function, void helper function, which will put back the stack in reverse order. Here we will have stack, this value, which we will remove it, and x. Okay. Now in this, if stack is empty, we will push the value in stack. Okay. And return. And if it is stack was not empty, just like we saw, like if the value is already 1 and we have to put the 2 value in this. So we remove this value first, then put it. Okay. So int top, int temp, and temp equals to stack dot top, remove top value, then again helper function call. So what will helper function do? Helper function will check like if it is empty, which this will be if we remove this value, then push this value. So means push this value in stack. Means this will first put this value in stack. Okay. Then we will go back. Then this will go back here. Okay. If we have go back here. So we have to put the again temp value. So we push the temp value again. Temp. Push temp. So here we will push and pop and recursion functions. Now call this function. Call this function here. Helper function of stack comma x. Now see, for the first, we removed it. So we removed till we get empty. This recursion will work till the stack get empty. And for each recursion cycle, recursion stack, x will have different value. The value which is popped here. Okay, let's see its code. See, if stack is empty, we return. Otherwise, top value removed, stored, then popped, then call again the same function. And then the top value, we put it here and here. Now see empty, then push, otherwise stamp, remove, and then remove the last value and then push it. Let's submit it. Test cases are passed. Okay. So that's all for today's question. Thank you everyone. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.